Skyland PIMS, a data collaboration platform from Skyland Analytics. Aggregating and analyzing product and process data from disparate sources across the supply chain and throughout the product lifecycle can be difficult for life science manufacturers. Reliance on spreadsheets and paper records makes creating, gathering, and sharing product and process data burdensome, expensive, and prone to data integrity issues. Most software solutions that seek to address these challenges are costly and time-consuming to deploy, and may require custom coding that can lead to validation challenges. Skyland PIMS data collaboration platform was purpose-built to address these challenges, from early-stage clinical through commercialization. PIMS is an easy-to-use cloud-based 21 CFR Part 11 compliant workspace that centralizes management of critical development, manufacturing, and quality data and simplifies the retrieval and organization of data required for analysis, process validation, and business and regulatory reporting, such as CPV and APRs. PIMS seamlessly enables aggregation and analysis of product, process, and batch data among internal teams across different locations and throughout the external development and production supply chain to ensure data visibility. PIMS also meets the needs of CDMOs. Using secure, permission-based settings, CDMOs can provide higher desired levels of data visibility to sponsors while improving compliance, timeliness, and operational efficiency within their business. Getting started is quick and easy. With minimal IT resources, PIMS is deployable and ready for your product and process data in just a few hours. Without the need for SQL or HTML knowledge, users with assigned roles and permissions can easily create and manage process definitions, which are the foundation for establishing target control limits and compiling and analyzing batch data. PIMS Batch provides visibility into the status of all batches for which data has been uploaded or entered. Data entry pages are automatically configured when processes are defined, including expected data ranges for numeric parameters. PIMS tracks the status of each parameter value and enables the submission and approval of results as the batch progresses, and includes a full audit trail to ensure data integrity and accelerate reporting. Pims Limits enables management of specification and target control limits, which may be defined for all applicable parameters, and each parameter may have multiple versions based on a combination of valid data ranges, subproducts, or markets. All changes to limits are fully audited, and PIMS can be configured such that all submitted changes require an approval signature. Throughout the PIMS workspace, users can add notes, attachments, diagrams, and URLs to capture important context about the process. PIMS Analytics quickly and easily transforms your data into shared, actionable insights. Without the need for coding or querying, PIMS generates charts and reports that improve understanding and control of process and product performance, including segmented process control charts such as individuals and moving range, process capability analysis, normality testing, and more. Skyland PIMS cloud-based product and process data collaboration platform provides you a secure, centralized data workspace with full audit trail, data sharing and visibility across the supply chain, faster, more efficient tech transfer and commercial release, and accelerated regulatory submissions and improved compliance. For more information or to schedule a demo, call 720-773-8800 or email us at engage@skylandanalytics.net.